today we're gonna make a ravioli Alfredo. My kids love this weeknight recipe. I know that you're gonna love it. It's also really easy to make. Let's cook it together. Hey, I'm Laura, and on my channel I share simple family meals like this one, as well as cooking tips so you can get more confident in the kitchen. If that's your jam, hit the red subscribe button. You and I can cook together a couple times a week. Here, I'm bringing some water to a boil. I'm gonna cook the ravioli when that's ready. The fresh pasta only takes 4 minutes to cook, so it's super easy and quick. Here in the skillet, I'm gonna make that Alfredo sauce, and all of it is gonna come together super fast. We're gonna heat a large skillet over medium-high heat, and I'm gonna melt the butter. And as I'm melting the butter, I'm gonna add a garlic. You can finely chop it or just grate it right into it. And then we're gonna stir it and toast it for about 30 seconds to a minute, making sure that it doesn't burn. One quick tip is to make sure that your heavy cream or half and half is warm so it doesn't separate when you add it right into your skillet. We're gonna pour in some cream or half and half, and we're gonna stir constantly. By the way, if you find tips like that one helpful, give this video a thumbs up so I know to always add them for you on my channel. We're gonna add the grated Parmesan cheese, some salt, pepper, and a little nutmeg if you have it, and then we're gonna combine. So I'm going to reduce the heat and let this cook for about 5 minutes, but at the same time, I'm gonna cook my ravioli in the pasta water. Now from time to time, come back and give your Alfredo sauce a stir so it doesn't burn at the bottom of your skillet. The ravioli are ready. You can drain the water out, or I just take a slotted spoon, and because my pot is right next to my skillet, I just take them from the pot and add them into my skillet. That little bit of pasta water is no big deal. If it gets into your Alfredo, it'll just thicken it, give you more sauce. Then you just combine it, and this dish is ready. Grab the ingredients, amounts, and everything you need for this epic recipe below the video, and watch this one next. See you soon.